A towering inferno tears through a high-rise in the heart of Kuwait City. Flames leap dozens of floors high, lighting up the night skyline. Panic on the streets below as residents watch the tower burn. Iran continues to pound the neighboring Gulf nations with back-to-back missile strikes. Wave of drones by Iran attacked a high-rise in Kuwait City, leading to sirens across the city. Smoke rising from a facility that powers the Bahrain's water supply. An Iranian drone targeted the heart of Bahrain's desalination infrastructure.
Do lunch. My God!
Iran army claims struck Dubai's Marina Towers. Iran launched retaliatory strikes targeting a US base in Dubai. Debris from the interception of the missile fell onto the residential skyscraper and landed on a vehicle, reportedly killing one person.
Many times the debris are falling in the residential area and the commercial area, and Dubai Marina being one of the most prestigious. You have the millionaires living in this area, their commercial interest of UAE. And along with that, the similar line to the southern connects to the Strait of Hormuz, that is the trade line, perhaps the nerve line of entire Middle East nation that supplies oil, which is the core of backbone of their economy.
These attacks occurred hours after Iran announced it would not target neighboring countries under conditions that neighbors won't give land to launch attacks and shut their airspaces for Israel or the United States.
They will take the dreams of us surrendering unconditionally to the grave. I apologize to our neighboring countries. We have no intention of invading other countries.
With Iran going back on its word and expanding the war theatre, where does this conflict draw the line?